Hello guys, welcome back to the channel Not for World. This is a new video series. It is for algebraic fraction, and stay with us and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Let's see guys, what are the theory parts for algebraic fraction. You can simplify algebraic fraction by using division. When you simplify algebraic fraction, it is possible to factorize the numerator and denominator and then cancel out common factors. Let's see how to do it by using an example. It says 5x squared minus 245 over 2x squared minus 15x plus 7. First you need to factorize denominator and numerator. In here, when factorize numerator, you can consider number 5 is common for the numerator and bring out number 5 over the bracket. There are some unique method for factorizing, and I will bring a video series for factorized lesson. In here, 5 within bracket x squared minus 49 over. Also here is another method for factorizing. I write down the two factors in one step, 2x minus 1 and x minus 7. These are two factors in denominator. We still did not factorize the numerator. Two factors for the x squared minus 49 is x minus 7 and x plus 7, you know it, and denominator is 2x minus 1, x minus 7. Now, as I mentioned in theory part, then you need to cancel out all common factors. You can see here, common factor in numerator and denominator is x minus 7. It is time for cancel out all common factors. After cancel x minus 7 in top and bottom, the remaining part you got 5 within bracket x plus 7 over 2x minus 1. This is the final answer. Okay guys, let's move to some example. Then you can get a clear idea for algebraic fraction simplification. I have 3 examples for you. In these 3 examples, the factorizing method are different from each other. First one is very simple. In factorizing, you can factorize numerator by bringing out x over the bracket, and remaining part is 7x cubed minus 2x squared plus 6. Denominator is x, then you cancel these 2x and the final answer is 7x cubed minus 2x squared plus 6. Let's move to the second example. In here, the factorizing method is different from first example. When you factorize numerator, we can get two factors as x plus 3 and x plus 4. Denominator is x plus 3. Then you can see here there are common factors x plus 3. Then you can cancel it out. Then you can get the answer as x plus 4. Shall we jump to the final example? It is a different case. Numerator is 2x squared plus 11x plus 12. Then you need to factorize these by using a specific method. 2 squared 11x we can write as 3x plus 8x. This is a total for the 11x. Then remaining part is 12. Then you need to consider first two terms. For the first two terms, x is common, then you can factor it as x within bracket 2x plus 3. For the second two terms, common number is 4, then you can factor it out as 4 within bracket 2x plus 3. Then you can see here 2x plus 3 is in both places. 2x plus 3 is common, then remaining part is x plus 4. These are two factors for the numerator. Then you can replace numerator as 2x plus 3 within bracket x plus 4. Denominator is not any changes, it is x plus 4 and x plus 3. Then x plus 4 is common, you can cancel it out. The remaining part is 2x plus 3 over x plus 3. This is the final answer. I think you get a super knowledge for the algebraic fractions. Thank you for watching and stay with us. Don't forget to subscribe the channel Math for Worlds. Bye for now.